Alright, P1, here is your video on scale factor and similar figures. So, similar figures. Two shapes are similar. That's where that should be. If two things. One, they have corresponding angles that are equal. Second, that they have a scale factor, meaning their corresponding side lengths are equivalent ratios. Real quickly, what does corresponding mean? It means matching. And I'll explain all of this as we go. So here we have two triangles. This one right here, triangle A, has a 3, 4, 5 side measurements. And this right here is triangle B, 9, 12, 15. Now corresponding means matching. So it says draw circles around one pair of corresponding sides in the shape below. Well, I'm going to draw a square around a corresponding side. So you see how this 3 is the height of the triangle? And on A, well, B also has a height of a triangle. That's 9. So I'm going to draw a square. So these two, 3 and 9, are corresponding sides. Let's see if we can find another one. 5, I'm going to draw a circle around 5, and then its corresponding side is 15. It's called the hypotenuse. That's that longest side. And then 4 matches 12. So that's what corresponding means, is whatever side is matching. So basically what scale factor is, and we're going to go through over this again, but basically from A to B, if I have a 3 and I want to get to my corresponding side 9, I'm going to say 3 times what gives me 9? 3 times what gives me 9? Well, let's try another one. How about my circles? 5 times what gives me 15? And my triangles would be 4 times what gives me 12. Well, if you notice, all of these should have the same number, 3. Meaning my scale factor is 3. So are these two rectangles similar figures? Well, first, let's look at our angles. We have a right angle, right angle, right angle, and right angle. Rectangles have 4 right angles. Let's check over here. Right angle, right angle, right angle, right angle. So first off, do their angles match? Yes. Angles match. Second thing we need to check for a scale factor. Let's see. Here's my corresponding side, 4 and 2. And here's 6 and 3. Scale factor always deals with multiplications, though. Even though you may have an inkling to divide here, you're not going to. So 4 times what gives me 2? 6 times what gives me 3? And they have to be the same number to be a scale factor. Well, let's see. 4 times 1 is 4. 6 times 1 is 6, so it has to be less than 1. 4 times, well, 2 is half of 4, and 3 is half of 6, so therefore it would be 0.5 or 1/2. It's the same thing. So my scale factor is 1/2 or 0.5. And again, it is similar because it has a scale factor and the angles match. So here it says the scale factor of two similar figures is the ratio between two corresponding lengths. So for instance, draw and label the new shape after applying a scale factor of 3 to each side. So if I have a scale factor of 3, 3 times 3 is 9. 5 times 3 is 15. That's how that would work. Sorry, that's the last example on that one. Email me if you have questions. Please finish the packet.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.